Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and today we are unboxing the Summer in Sicily collection. So exciting to bring this collection to you today. It was designed by one of our wonderful collaborators, Gina from Orchid and Opal. We've been working with Gina for so long, and she always delivers amazing colors, beautiful palettes, and just inspired designs. So if you're not following her, make sure to go on over to her channel and give her a subscribe and come on back here to see the unboxing. I'm going to go through all of the items one at a time so that you can see exactly what you'll get if you get this collection. If you're new here, each collection is a limited release set of coordinating beads and components designed so you don't have to figure out what goes together. It's all done for you, so you can use it to create several finished pieces depending on your style. And our VIP list always gets a heads up when new collections are coming. So make sure you sign up. Oh my gosh, so much stuff to dig into here. Let me get organized and then we will go through every item one at a time. So first and foremost, we have our beautiful insert. This is the inspiration image. This is the color palette. This is what is going on my wall while I dream of warmer, brighter days. So gorgeous. And as always, we have a lovely paragraph to get you into the vibes, to really get a sense for summer in Sicily. And as always, inside here, you will find the complete list of items. All the SKU numbers right here. You can just type that right into EurekaCrystalBeads.com search bar and the exact item will pop up. Everything in the collection is numbered so you know exactly what is what and if you've received a substitute. So let's put that aside and let's start with the first batch, which as usual is seed beads. The first 6 items on our list are all seed beads. We have such a variety here. Some are in tubes, some are in bags, some are toho, some are miyuki. So first off, the first one here, you can see it's a toho by this little cap top with gray in the toho colors and logo. This is an 8-0, so it's a little bit bigger than the usual popular 11-0s. And this is aqua light jonquil lined. So you can see that the color of the glass is aqua, and then the inside is light jonquil lined. So it's got a really interesting depth to it that is unusual and fascinating. Number 2 is our miyuki round seed beads, and this is a mix of different sizes, as you can see here. And this is galvanized gold. Classic, beautiful, goes with everything. Another miyuki tube. This is also a size mix, and this is an ivory pearl Ceylon AB. Might be hard to see that AB coating there, but it's definitely there in person. Very pretty. AB, which stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a rainbow coating. Very excited to see what kind of project Gina has in mind with these size mixes. Next up, we have a Delica color mix. This is the Summer in Sicily mix, and it pulls so many different directions here. It's so fun and definitely gives you those Sicily vibes, right? These are mostly, I think these are all really matte colors. So they're going to be very, very great for absorbing the light and really showing off the color as opposed to sparkling. Oops, I dropped these last ones. Okay. Next up are some twisted bugles. These are super fun. I love these. I love this like patina color. This is a matte metallic khaki iris. That's the color. And these are super, super fun. The texture, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. It also gives you this kind of old world vibe, right? And last but not least, we have quarter tilas. So these are Miyuki. These are like a tiny slice, well, you know, 1/4 of a tila bead. So they're thin, but they have 2 holes. And this is a really nice matte, opaque cream color. And here you're getting 5 grams in this little bag. So nice. The next 4 items are Czech glass beads in a bunch of fun and unique shapes. So first off, we have some beautiful pinch beads. These are really, really pretty. They are sort of bicone shaped, but like with fewer facets. And this is a really nice matte finished color, again with this sort of bronze and turquoisey look. Very old world. I absolutely love, love, love these. And the next one, these are gemstone rondelles. And again, they have this sort of like mossy, Picasso-y finish on them. They're absolutely stunning. They are 7 by 5 millimeters, and you get a strand of 25 on here with these gemstone rondelles. So beautiful. Next, for an awesome pop of color, look at that juicy, juicy yellow. And these are lentil beads, and just as their namesake, you can probably figure out they are basically the shape and size of a yellow lentil. They have 1 hole. Lentils come in multiple hole options too, but these are single hole lentils. You can make really, really pretty dangles, and they work really well in a variety of different bead weaving applications. Look at this bright, bright color. It looks like it has some crystal in it too. So this is like maybe a hurricane glass kind of thing going on here with the crystal clear glass. And yeah, look, one of these is all crystal even. What a fun mix. And finally, we have diamond beads. These have 2 holes, so they are like flattened 2-hole diamond shaped beads. And again, we're going with this beautiful Picasso turquoise kind of opaque color. These aren't matte, they're shiny, but they are opaque, so they are absolutely beautiful, just like moss covered stone. So lovely. Next up is our selection of Krakowski crystal stones. Look at these colors. So gorgeous. And look how much sparkle. So these are our in-house brand, Krakowski crystal. You are going to be getting some chaton montes. So these are chaton stones, the pointed backs, the little ones. These are 8 millimeters, and they are already in settings. So these are in gold settings, and these settings have holes all along the edge. So that makes for a lot of really interesting opportunities with these settings. You don't have to bezel around the chaton. These are all ready for you here. And you are going to be getting 6 of these in the Pacific Opal color, and that combination gold and Pacific Opal has got to be one of my absolute favorites, and it's so perfect for this collection, right? You're also going to be getting some cushion fancy stones in Pacific Opal. So those are these guys here. And these are 12 millimeters in size. They're just so pretty. So pretty. You're also going to be getting 4 millimeter rivolis. And this color is called Sunshine. How perfect is that? It's like they captured sunshine in a crystal. So, so gorgeous. You're also going to be getting 10 by 14 millimeter drops. And these are these guys here, the little ones. This color is called Paradise Shine. As you can see, there's some like blue, there's some purple in there, and it's very, very close to the Sunshine, but it has all sorts of sort of rainbowy things going on in there. So it's a really good match. And of course, the showstopper, this guy right in the middle, this is your 18 by 25 millimeter Pacific Opal stone, and this is just gigantic and so beautiful. I love the Pacific Opal from Krakowski. It is designed to be a little more variable than other machine crystals. You'll find that some are more opaque and some are more milky, and that is totally normal. When you use a bunch of them together, it really gives the effect of natural stone, because natural stone isn't all the same opacity through either. So that's what we like really about these. So don't be surprised if they might vary just a little bit. You'll also be getting 2 strands of Krakowski crystal pearls in a classic gold color. You're getting a 4 millimeter strand and a 6 millimeter strand. The 4 millimeter, you have 100 on the strand, and in the 6 millimeter, you have 65 beads on the strand. So that's more from the Krakowski crystals. And the Krakowski crystal pearls, as you know, are crystal core inside the bead, and then they are covered in layer and layer and layer of this pearlescent coating. So that gives them a very, very similar feel to regular pearls, real pearls, natural pearls. And I love this medium gold color. It's very, very nice. And kind of a neutral, so it goes with everything. Gina's also added in a strand of Chinese crystal rondelles. And these are a bit larger. These are 4 by 3 millimeter in light azure, which is like a nice, very pale, beautiful blue color. Look how sparkly these are. These are a lot more rounded than our other rondelles. This is actually a new item for us. It's a larger size of the Chinese crystal. We were always carrying smaller rondelles here, but we found that they were quite popular, and we saw these and they were actually very pretty. So decided to see if we can expand that selection. And yeah, tell us what you think. Do you like the new size? Next, we have our findings selection. So the first little section I want to look at are these findings that have enamel in them. So these are our Gleamcraft findings. This is our in-house brand from Eureka. And we've been doing a lot lately with this enamel. I think it's super pretty. It's so unique and interesting. And these colors match perfectly with this Pacific Opal we've got going on here. So that worked out really well. We have this charm in a really pretty sort of flower shape, but they're also hearts. That's really cute. And these beautiful connectors that look like, these look like frames, like you could imagine in some old homestead somewhere in Sicily. You would see framed portraits like on the wall in these elaborate frames. I really like these. Octagonal shaped, and they have like one sort of ring on the bottom, so that makes it perfect for hanging anything down with, you know, the beads you have here. And add to that, you know, to help you with the hanging, we have the jump rings here as well. And these aren't just any jump rings. They are 24 karat gold plated jump rings. They're 19 gauge, and these are oval shaped, which is a nice little look. In fact, all of these charms and connectors and the earring posts are 24 karat gold plated. So really, really nice. And we have a few other additional things. This toggle clasp. This is also 24 karat gold plated. We have some honeycomb frame link connectors. They're gold plated. You're going to get 4 of them. And that's pretty fun. A little way to add texture to your projects. And of course, let's not forget ear wires, which are always in demand. And these are also gold plated. You'll get 1 pair of these shepherd's hook ear wires. And that about does it for the collection. Let's see if I can fit everything on screen here. What do y'all think? I absolutely love this. I think Gina did a fantastic job. And the most exciting part is she has all sorts of projects up her sleeves. So stay tuned. Like I said, make sure you are subscribed to her channel because she will be posting tutorials with these specific set of items. So don't miss it. And if you want more ideas and inspiration for projects with this collection and our other collections, just know we share extra stuff on our VIP list. So make sure you are joined and signed up. It's totally free. We are just always giving a little extra love to those who want it. So sign up today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.